Woodpecker's latest tool, the new DF500 Offset Base System, makes the revolutionary Festool Domino now even better. It provides an amazingly rigid platform that ensures proper mortise geometry even when making large runs of cabinets and furniture parts. And the system comes in a sustainer-style case that stacks and locks perfectly with Festool cases. The DF500 Offset Base further provides the perfect solution for centering mortises on commonly used net and nominal thickness materials and metric plywoods. Precision machined spacers that connect the DF500 Offset Base's attachment plate and fence plate are easily switched out. You can cut perfectly centered mortises on nominal 3/4 inch, 23/32 inch plywood, common 12mm and 18mm plywood like Baltic birch, and net dimension 3/4 inch and 1/2 inch panels and solid woods. Even more versatility, precision, and repeatability is built into the offset base system when using Woodpecker's outriggers and flip stops. These heavy-duty extruded aluminum outriggers extend up to 54 inches, or 1,350 millimeters on metric models, either right or left of the domino. The perfectly machined flip stops lock in place and have zero lateral play. Now, mortises can be milled in multiple panels and in lumber 8 feet and longer that are precisely located in a dependably repeatable pattern. The offset base attachment plate is securely fastened with 2 screws to the base of the domino. The offset base fence plate is bolted to the attachment plate with heavy-duty screws threaded into the stout 3/4 inch diameter stainless steel spacers. This design eliminates the possibility of fence drift even after repetitive cuts. Both the attachment and fence plates are precision machined from 1/4 inch thick, aircraft-grade aluminum. Not only is the DF500 Offset Base rock solid, it's also large. Compared to the domino base and fence, the offset base is 2 inches wider and the fence is nearly 3/4 inch longer. This larger platform and a 2-inch knob deliver greater stability, control, and comfort when using the domino. With the DF500 Offset Base and domino combined, the entire unit is automatically centered. In clear view of the operator are laser-engraved imperial or metric scales in 1/16 inch or 1mm increments. The scale starts with 0 aligned to the domino cursor, then extends 2 inches right and left. The outrigger comes in 5 sections that are carefully machined to precise 12-inch or 300mm lengths. They are a triple T-track extrusion that's anodized, then laser engraved with inch or metric scales. The center section is aligned to 0 with the offset base, then extends 6 inches or 150mm right and left. The second section can be locked in place on either side, and its engraved scales continue from 6 inches to 18 inches, or 150mm to 450mm. With all 5 sections connected, the outrigger extends to 54 inches, or 1,350mm long. With the outrigger fully extended and the flip stops set in place, we can quickly and accurately make our mortises on 1/2 of our board. To mortise the other side, just loosen the first track connector and flip the track to the other side of the center section. Reconnect and continue to make the mortises on the other side of your board without having to reposition your flip stops. Just flip the flip stops down after each mortise is cut and align the flip stop against the edge of the board to make the next mortise. Woodpecker's DF500 Offset Base System is available in either imperial or metric models. The complete system includes the offset base, 5 outrigger bars with connectors, 5 sets of spacers, and 4 flip stops. The DF500 Offset Base comes in either imperial or metric scales and includes the offset base and 5 sets of spacers. And both come in a sustainer T-lock case that's fully compatible with the award-winning Festool case system. The DF500 Offset Base System is manufactured using state-of-the-art CNC equipment operated by highly skilled machinists in the company's shop located near Cleveland, Ohio, USA.